Discover the power of the USB Rechargeable Electric Blackhead Removal Tool in our in-depth review. This innovative device offers a painless and effective solution for clear, glowing skin. With its powerful suction and multiple heads, it targets blackheads, whiteheads, and other impurities, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. Perfect for all skin types, this portable and easy-to-use tool is a must-have in your skincare routine. Watch now to see the results and learn how to use it for the best outcomes. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Step 2. Steam your face. Step 3. Choose the right head. Step 4. Turn on the device. Step 5. Use the device. Step 6. Focus on problem areas. Step 7. Clean the device. Step 8. Remember to use the device no more than once or twice a week to avoid over-exfoliation. If you like the content, hit subscribe button to get more related contents.